Arjun was an ordinary young man living in a small village called Devpur. Though his life was simple, he dreamt of something greater. He wanted to be known as a great warrior. However, life had not been kind to Arjun. He was often mocked by the villagers for his small frame and lack of strength. One day, an old wise man named Baba Vyas visited the village. People said he possessed the power to change a person's destiny with his guidance. Arjun, filled with hope, approached him and shared his dream of becoming a warrior. You wish to be strong and fearless, do you? Baba Vyas asked with a gentle smile. Yes, Baba, more than anything, Arjun replied, determination burning in his eyes. The wise man studied Arjun for a moment and then said, strength doesn't always come from muscle. Young man, it's born from the heart. I will guide you, but you must first complete 3 tasks. Arjun was puzzled but eager. Tell me, Baba, what must I do? The first task was to fetch a rare blue lotus that only bloomed at the top of the steep Mount Kala, known for its treacherous terrain. Arjun's heart sunk when he heard this. He had never even climbed a small hill, let alone a mountain, but his desire to prove himself was strong. With nothing but a small bag of food and his will, Arjun set off on the journey. The climb was exhausting. The path was rocky. The winds were fierce, and the cold bit into his skin. Many times he wanted to turn back, but every time he thought of quitting, a voice echoed in his mind. Strength is born from the heart. After 2 days of climbing, he finally reached the peak. Bruised and battered, he found the blue lotus blooming amidst the snow. As he plucked it, he felt a surge of pride. He had done it. Against all odds, he completed the first task. Returning to Baba Vyas, Arjun handed him the lotus. Baba smiled, impressed. You've shown resilience, Arjun, but your journey is far from over. Your second task awaits. For his second task, Baba Vyas sent Arjun to the dense forest of Kalindra to retrieve a jewel hidden deep within. However, the forest was known for its wild animals and dangerous traps, and no one who entered had ever returned. Fear crept into Arjun's heart. He had no weapons, no training. How could he survive the dangers of the forest? But once again, the same voice echoed in his mind. Strength is born from the heart. Steeling himself, Arjun ventured into the forest. The shadows of the towering trees and the growls of distant beasts made his heart race. Every rustle of leaves sent chills down his spine. Yet, he pressed on. For hours, he wandered through the dense forest, narrowly avoiding hidden traps and wild animals. Just when he thought he could go no further, he spotted the jewel shining in a hidden cave. As he reached for it, a loud roar echoed behind him. A tiger had found him. Panic surged through him. His first instinct was to run, but he knew he couldn't outrun a tiger. Then, remembering Baba's words, Arjun stood his ground. He looked the tiger in the eye, refusing to show fear. For what seemed like an eternity, the tiger stared back, its sharp claws ready to strike. But something miraculous happened. The tiger, sensing Arjun's unshakable will, slowly backed away and disappeared into the shadows. Arjun, heart pounding, grabbed the jewel and hurried back to Baba Vyas. Baba Vyas greeted him with a proud smile. You've conquered fear, Arjun. Now, for the final task. The third task was unlike the others. Baba Vyas led Arjun to a river bank and pointed to a small boat. You must cross this river, he said simply. Arjun was confused. That's it? Just cross the river? Baba Vyas nodded. But remember, Arjun, not everything is as easy as it seems. With confidence from his past successes, Arjun climbed into the boat and began rowing. The river seemed calm, and he laughed at how simple this final task was. But soon, dark clouds gathered, and the water became wild and furious. A storm had struck, the boat rocked violently, and giant waves crashed against it. Arjun struggled to keep control, his arms aching as he fought against the raging river. In the chaos, his oar broke, and the boat began to fill with water. For the first time, Arjun felt truly helpless. No amount of strength or courage could save him now. He closed his eyes and prepared for the worst. But then, a thought pierced through his despair. Strength is born from the heart. This wasn't just about physical strength, it was about never giving up, no matter how hopeless the situation seemed. With renewed determination, Arjun used his hands to paddle the water, slowly guiding the boat towards the shore. It was a grueling effort, but eventually, he reached the other side, exhausted but victorious. Baba Vyas was waiting for him, a look of pride in his eyes. You've learned the greatest lesson of all. Arjun, strength is not about muscles or weapons. It's about the power within, the will to keep going when everything seems against you. Arjun smiled, understanding now what true strength meant. It wasn't about defeating enemies or overcoming challenges physically. It was about believing in yourself, even when the world tells you otherwise. The story of Arjun teaches us that true strength comes not from our physical abilities but from our inner willpower. Life will always throw challenges our way, and sometimes we may feel like giving up. But if we believe in ourselves and persevere, no obstacle is too great. Strength is born from the heart.